Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my August update for the Partners in Cream project. This project was created by Stefan Dahlin. I will link them both down below. And the idea is that you introduce 3 to 6 cream products and you work towards your goal. Now, if that is finishing or usage goals, up to you. So, there is the option of quarterly refresh. Well, quarterly refresh, but I haven't really figured out what date that would be, so I'm just chugging along. I am, as per usual, having a little bit of articulation issues. So things are not progressing as I had hoped in this project. I have 3 items, and first we have the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. Pretty color. Yeah. Last time I'd used it 12 times. This time I've used it an additional 1 time. So 13 uses for my 20 usage goal. Not going well. Yeah. I probably should have done the quarterly refresh, right? It should have been today. Whatever. Anyway. Yes. So that was for that one. Staying for another 7 uses. Then I have the sunscreen from the Swedish Pharmacy. It's like I've squished everything down to here. There's like 2 more uses maybe. Have I used it? No, I have not. I've used it 3 times. Okay, well, whatever. I mean, then the third and final item is the Invisible Illumination by Lumen Instant Glow Watercolor Blush. My goal is to use it 10 times. I have used it 6 times, so that's okay. I mean, and I've also been able to make a new little line. So the bottommost one there. Pretty okay with that. I'm fine. It's pretty. I anticipate using it more. It's very similar in color to this one, which I have in my project pan, the YSL, but a little more sun-kissed-y. So I don't think it'll be difficult for me to reach that goal at all. So that's fine. But these 2, like, what the heck, man? Anyway, that was it for my update. I hope you're having a nice day, morning, evening, night, wherever you are, in whatever season you're in. I'm going to go and take a nap. And then clean the house. So, take care of yourselves. Wash your hands. Take a nap. And I will see you in a month-ish with a new Partners in Cream update. Bye!